Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Facebook and Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And this method is not free, but it is cheap. And I'm not talking about Facebook ads. And you're probably thinking right now, well, Facebook is dead. Nobody's using Facebook anymore. Well, actually, when you come here on SimilarWeb, you will see that Facebook is number 3 on entire internet. And when you scroll here, you will see that Facebook is getting more than 15 billion monthly visits, which means Facebook still has a good potential when it comes to affiliate marketing. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And let's just say, for example, for the purpose of this video, that I'm in keto niche. So second thing you need to do, you need to find product to promote. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Digistore24, but you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, or any other affiliate network. And I'm here on Digistore24 Marketplace, and then here I will simply search for keto, okay, keto, and here I can see all the keto related products that I can actually promote. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here. All I have to do is just click here on sales page to check out their sales page to see is it any good, because sales page is really important. Okay, this looks like a good sales page, okay? And when I go here and when I click here on promote, I will get my Digistore24 affiliate link. Now, next thing you need to do, you actually need to write an article. Now, if you can write that article by yourself, that is by far best option. But if you cannot, then you can use Google Gemini or you can use ChatGPT. And then here I will simply give it a prompt. So for example, I will say something like this. I can say something like this. Write me title for lazy keto diet recipes and then press enter. I need a title first, okay? And here you can see they gave me a title. So next thing I need to do, I need to say to write me an article for this. And I can say something like this. Write me an article for title above. Article should look like it was written by a real human being, and it also should allow me to promote my product. And then press enter. And now ChatGPT will write that article, okay? Now, next thing that I would actually strongly suggest you is to actually manually rewrite this article here, okay? Because none of the big companies actually like written articles that are written by bots. So your article should look like it was written by a real human being. That is why I would suggest you to rewrite this article manually. And what you need to do next is you need to publish that article, for example, on medium.com or on Vocal Media. Now, both of these websites are really good and they will get you some traffic, but you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually use Facebook to get traffic to my Medium or Vocal Media article? Well, what you need to do, you need to go on Facebook and then you need to search here for the purpose of this video, you need to search for keto, okay? Keto, and then press enter and then click here on groups. And don't worry, we will not spam groups, but this is an important part of the video, so pay close attention, okay? Here what you need to do, you actually need to find groups that have lots of activity. Now here you can see this group has 916,000 members, 10 plus posts per day. That means this group is active, okay? So when I click here, I need to check this group. I need to see how often people actually make posts and how often people comment on this. This post 3 hours ago, comment 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 20 minutes ago, 18 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago, 3 days ago. But when I scroll here I can see comments are recent. So this actually looks like a very active group, and that is good for me. Also, by the posts and comments, you can see from which country most of the people are coming. Now, judging by the posts and comments, I can conclude that most of the people, most of the members of this group are actually coming from United States and Canada. And that is important for me because those are the two richest markets on the internet. So what I need to do, I actually need to scroll back here on the top and I need to click here on members. And here I can see all the members. Here I can see most recent members, people who recently joined this group. But what I need, I actually need to click here where it says administrators and moderators. I need to click here on see all. And here I can see all administrators and moderators. Now usually first person on the list is the person who created this group. So what I need to do, I need to hover over their name, and then here you can see I can actually send them a message. and I can send them a message asking them, do you accept paid posts in this group? And if you do, how much do you charge for 24-hour pinned post in this group? Now, to be honest with you, not everybody will answer on your message, and not everybody who actually answer on your message will answer positively. You will need to send quite a few messages. Now, why this works? Because this is actually a targeted audience. When you scroll here, you will see that most of these people are actually coming from United States and Canada, and they're all very interested in keto diet in this case, okay? And also, this group has lots of activity. This group is probably getting between 15 and 20,000 visits every day. Now, that is lots of traffic. So if your post is pinned for 24 hours, now that means that from all of these 15 to 20,000 people who come every day, who come to that day, to that group, first post they will see will be your post. And if you have a good title and a good article, those people will actually click on that link and they will read your article. Now, if you did a good job with the article, they will buy that product. Now, usually on groups like this that has lots of that have lots of members, like this group has 916,000 members, they usually charge between $50 and $100. But that looks like a lot of money, but actually if you did a good job, you will at least get your money back. You will at least get those $50 that you paid for that pinned post. Now, over time, guys, I actually make a list. I made a list of Facebook groups that are getting me best ROI. I'm usually getting $3 on every dollar that I invest, which means if I pay, for example, $50 for a pinned post, I will get at least $100 back. That means I will get $150 and my profit is $100. Now imagine if you have 20 groups like that. That is $2,000 every month, very easily, using other people's group, using other people's traffic. Now this actually works, but like I said, you will need to invest some time, you will need to invest some work, you will need to invest some money. Now also, this method takes some experience. Now this is not for absolute beginners. I have to say that you will need some experience to find the right groups, to find the right articles, to find the right hook. After you do that, after you find all of that, trust me guys, this method will pay out, okay? You will start making money and you will create a list of groups that actually give you best results. And you will make money every month, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 every month. So this is how you use Facebook for Digistore24 affiliate marketing in 2024. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.